back to How To Tuesdays. I had to go out of town. I went to Kent, Washington. I rode a cool concrete skate park there. But this week's trick is toothpicks. Toothpicks are a trick you're not going to see a ton at the skate park. In stalls, you'll probably see them in bonks and tooth hangers and kind of street style. But they're not the hardest trick. It's kind of a finesse trick. It's a bike control trick. If you don't have a ton of bike control, you're not going to be doing this trick. But just give it some tries. It's really good to stand out and do tricks that not everyone else is doing. It's rewarding when you're not doing the same thing as everyone else at the skate park. But some tips on this trick. For one, don't go too fast. You kind of want to go slow and leave your bike out over the ramp and then stab your front peg down into the coping, or mine has a 2x6 on it. Also, if you have a front brake, it really does help to kind of stop your front wheel from moving. If you do it on steeper ramps, and steeper ramps are way better for this trick. My ramp is not that steep. It's really hard to do it on. But steeper ramps are way easier. You don't need a front brake. No matter what, you don't need a front brake. You can also use your foot. I used to really like them foot jam style to also. But the main trick is leave all your weight out and stab that front peg in. There's a balance point to it, just like foot jams or just like nose wheelies. You want to find that balance point, but try not to give yourself an option to put your foot down or to flop up on the deck. You want to commit to it, you know. I don't want to say man up, but you know, commit to it. Once you learn this trick, you can start throwing in different combinations into them. The combos are a little hard. Like I said, the trick is a little technical, but I really like doing backpedaler toothpicks, and I like no-footed toothpicks. The no-footed ones are a little hard for me because my seat's a little low. Trust me, I made that choice, so I got to deal with it. Also, I kind of have long legs, so I have to kind of bow these old knees out. That way they're not flopping on the deck. And then I just kind of drop in and hopefully get the feet on the pedals at the same time. Also, I like doing toothpick to fakies. This one's nice with a front brake. You kind of toothpick and then slowly kind of lean forward as you're kind of throwing your hips out backwards. I kept sliding out in the oil spot, which is kind of a bummer, but it worked out. So, hopefully you guys like this How To Tuesdays on toothpicks. Super fun trick. Don't be afraid to be different. If you guys like these videos, you can also watch my 5 Trick Fridays, where I do 5 different tricks each week, and I'm going to see how long I can go until I run out of tricks. But so far so good. This week I had a really good, fun last one. So make sure and check out that. Subscribe to the channel and let me know what you guys want to see. Thanks for watching. Later.